I know that you're doing a project with apples and pears to demonstrate just the ability of this equipment to be able to differentiate between two pieces of produce and the benefits of those. That's really a demonstration for other industry sectors to be able to test their products against others within the market and to show that there's some health benefits about that. Tell me about the apple and pear project.
Okay, the apple and pear project I think is a really good example to illustrate how well the whole CRC system works really, because it pretty much focuses on what the industry needs and how we can add value to the product using the ANA BP01 apple variety, which is the Bravo apple that we currently can purchase from the supermarket. So what we're doing is that currently the industry only export the fruit and there's no any other product. They were really keen to export fruit juices, apple juice, using the same variety, but they're having problems in terms of the shelf lives are too short. That is a logistical nightmare if you only have a shelf life of 1 week. So in collaborations with the sieve capability down in the Numbila, which they have a HPP high processing pressure instrument, essentially the method is to use a non-thermal method to delay the microorganism growth and extend the shelf life. It is without any additive or anything like that. It's just pure cold pressed apple juice, and simply by doing that we were able to extend the shelf life by several weeks. This means that the industry can now export the apple juice to Asia country as well as to sell it in the supermarket. And in fact we are very happy with the project so far, because the Soluna juice has just been launched in the Q2 a few weeks ago. So that's the first product in the pipeline that we have already produced, and there are a number of other products that we are currently testing as well. So that from that angle, we definitely achieving one of the issue that industry currently facing. And flip it on to the second part of the project is we wanted to look at what's the health benefit of eating this Bravo apple. The Bravo apple, you might have noticed, is very distinctive in terms of the skin color, which is darker in burgundy color because of the polyphenol contents in there. So what the industry wanted to know is, by having this additional polyphenol compound, does it help us to prevent any of those chronic disease like heart disease or diabetes, because some of these polyphenol compound in fact have been linked to preventing this sort of disease. So as part of our project, we therefore decided to recruit 50 individuals. They will need to consume apple on a daily basis, and we also have another control fruit that have less amount of polyphenol, and to see whether after consuming the fruit for 8 weeks, do they actually reduce those disease risk factor. So this study is currently ongoing. We don't know what's the result yet, but I'm hopeful that by the end of this year we would have finished the recruitment and hopefully find out what's the outcome to the study.
That's so exciting. So we're based in a health precinct. There is a hospital next door creating a food product and also having it connected directly to health and wellness outcomes.
Yeah.
So that is amazing, and just shows that the power of collaboration and the power of innovation precincts can really push the envelope on what's future food going to be for 2030 and beyond.
Yeah, and I think that is a really good example to illustrate how we can use a simple product, apple, something that we are very familiar with on a daily basis, to having new product that could benefit the farmer, the grower and the industry, new products for other people to enjoy the food, and to actually really not so much as putting a claim, but trying to understand whether the apple actually have those health benefits that we are not sure of.